So hi friends, a very good morning to all of you. And yesterday friends, I was reviewing different kind of the gems I have told you earlier, like Shiba Inu and Doji and many more friends. So I find out this one friend, and I tried out the filter the informations. I would not go deep dive, but would discuss you regarding some very good facts that East community is really growing friends, and you can see the price in exchanges and holders are increasing slowly. But friends, it is not any financial advice, as the members are 539 on Telegram, and the price is already pumped friend, actually 6x within 24 hours. Actually I was picking this one from 0.603, but I tried many times to complete the transactions, but failed again and again, and finally I find out in their Telegram group that you must keep slippage 12 actually. And there is also some different kind of the rule here, so just be cautious. And although the holders are growing slowly, but according to me, uh, there are only 356 holder. While creating my last video friend, I would let you know. So friend, you can see here, this was the video I uploaded yesterday, and you can see the price 50, it was 6053. So almost there, it was only 77% up from there, but at that time if I could dive in here, I must be 5.5x within 24 hours, or even 12 hours, but that was my bad luck friend. So no issue, we are trying continuously friend for you and creating you a very good content friend, and bringing you very gems tokens. But friend, be cautious friend, because there are much more manipulations in the projects which are coming right now, copying to meme coin like Shiba Inu and Doji and many more friend. So just invest according to your risk budget, because all the money can also be crashed friend. Okay, so now the price is so much, so what we can do friend, and price is trying to go higher and higher, the same pattern following Shiba Inu, but the people are manipulating according to me. Why? Because see the holders, actually while creating my video last time the holders were 3437, but now it's 556 friend. And also if it is listing on different sets, the holders would increase, no doubt, because in the DEX it is very challenging to trade, because I need 125 to 150 dollar for a single trade friend. If you can't believe, I would let you know here. Okay friend, I would let you know here, and you can see here this much amount this person is having, so they are the holders friend, and many people are holding such amount, and there may be it's their team and only a few holders, so it is very risky in such a project. But maybe if the real use case is coming out and genuine people are joining here, then it project can also fly, but not exactly to Shiba Inu, but can go easily 100x if they are pumping like this one, because I see nobody is selling there. You can see I also lost 5x from here, because I could not make actually uh, could not make the trade actually. So let's track here, just a minute friend, let me take the contact address from here, and I need to paste here only that, because it is not on trending right now, but would be in trending very soon. There is some problem of with my internet, I think this may be the problem. But friend, let's track directly from their trading view if it is available. I think it will not be available because it's not more time. After 7 days they support actually, but this was a very good opportunity there, friend. It is also minus to its all-time high 49%, but they are doing pumpamental a lot, friend. Tokenomics is quite better, but pumpamentals is going on, friend. Yeah. So this one, friend, October 2021, 99 followers, and last time when I saw this, it was around 50 followers, and I followed at that time. And you can see here the top gunners. It is also including in the top gunners. ID Finance, Elonomics, this one, this one, this one, and you can see the price. Oh God, Rocket Recon is 11x. And what are these, friends? Audi Finance. So the people are just creating a lot of hype with their team as well as community, friends. And also many of them are maybe scammy, friend. I'm not damn sure. So just to do accordingly, friend. I would not be responsible for your loss. Okay. So this is an active platform and can do better. On the other hand, I have also discussed you regarding UFO. So you can also easily check UFO, guys, that already UFO is also pumping. Whatever the tokens I am picking in these days are blasting, friends. You can see. Oh God, awesome, friend. You can see here. It is also pumped a lot, friend. Almost 2x it is also. I have already told you earlier regarding this one. So 0.4 times 034 it pumped actually from 0.4 times 022, but it was below than that. I have told, just watch my previous video, friend. So I am sticking on those both projects, and last one is some risky, but I would put some of the there and waiting for the sex listing because the fees is killing, friend. It is 150 fee. It is 150, friend. You can imagine $150 fee only. If I want to buy for $50, I need to pay 150 as a fee. How disgusting, friend. Ethereum is killing people. Yeah, simple people, genuine people are not able to buy. That's why this is the reason these tokens are going parabolic, friend. And no maximum people are coming out because people don't have such a bulky Ethereum, and they don't afford such a huge gas fee. Okay, so if we talk regarding this one, you can see these people is having 6% of the supply, and they can anytime dump the market. 3 days back, you can see, friend, these people are big holders and big whales. 4 days back, and 4 days back, let's see the price, $136 transaction fee. This person, friend, this person just transferred 1.37 Ethereum and swapped from there, and now his token are around, friend, $6,000. So it is now growing. The value of Ethereum is 1.48 total he swapped actually, and Ethereum was 4129, so they would be in good profit. Continuously pumping, and I missed this biggie, but let's see what happened and what's going on. If we talk regarding their Telegram, we can easily access their Telegram. You can see the people are saying hodl, the team is saying hodl actually, and the people are holding and the slippage you must need to set 12 actually if you had enough Ethereum. A lot of information are there. By slippage 12 actually logged. Also they are having some logged in for 6 months on Unicrypt actually, and renounces, and also many more. You can also see the chart. If we click over chart of the DEX tool, what can we find here? We can find the data that was going on. Actually after watching that it is setting 12 slippage, I just upset my mind and did not do. Otherwise I could also be the part of the rally and enjoy the party, but could not enjoy the party. And I don't need to enjoy such a party that after entering there I would be scammed or I would be cheated by such type of the thugs people, because in the last years and since 2017 scams continuously I have been thugged by many of the scamming projects. So that's why now I very slowly and after 360 review I just invest, because I don't have much more portfolio. Lost everything due to such kind of the people, bloody people who are looting continuously others people money, and we are the common people and we don't have such a good background, and we are now working hard to create good background for our upcoming pose. Okay friends, so there must be regulations just for avoiding such kind of the scams, and what is going on in the scenario. Everybody is bringing some of the new tokens with some of the community and pumping with pump-mentors. So see what's going on here. Although I may be also wrong, they may be genuine, but they could not draw the attention of the maximum people, because only a little full people are here. Otherwise holders must be very much. So this is the chart friend. You can see the chart friend. You can see the chart friend from where the price is going up. This was the level there I saw from here friend. I saw here, and now it's went a lot, and deliberately they are pumping. Nobody is selling. That's why this is the reason. You can see here only new people are selling, and the same address would be there. You can see same address both are having, and these are the same address, buy same address they are buying. So they are having a bulk of the Ethereum. You can see that person is having huge Ethereum. How? You can find out from here easily, and the person is paying almost 100% 100 gas fee, and just track his wallet. This is his wallet, and you can see friend, I have already told you that one is good one, having Shiba Inu and good quantity, and also many more, and still having 6.7 Ethereum, and he swapped along again. He swapped actually. So many people are there like these. Okay friends, on the other hand, if we talk regarding hacks, the news is not good for hacks, because it is dumping and dumping and dumping again. If Ethereum and Bitcoin is keeping continuously rallying to its new all-time high, then it could dump again to $0.1 very soon. So just be ready for that. And also in my separate video for especially pulse chain and hacks, please do not forget to subscribe this channel, because that would be the lifetime income for you guys. And it is going to be launched the biggest airdrop in the history of cryptocurrency. So if you have access of the Ethereum, you can dive into this project and keep only $100 around. Otherwise wait like me. I'm waiting for MXC, that MXC would list it very soon, as I think, and as it list, I would dive in like UFO. Like I typed in UFO, and you can see, friend, I just invested only $50 because was not much more assured regarding UFO, but that was also the mistake, friend, because UFO did very nice. UFO did very nice, friend. You can see my portfolio is going to be almost 3x within 3 days, friend, within 3 days, and I'm not trading, I just buy and hold. Or even my approx 15% of the holding is also there. If I bought a dip price behalf of this dollar, I must be more than $150 here, or in fact it could be uh, 200 or around, because the price was on very big dip at that time. But I'm damn sure the price could go easily 10x from here, and I have just set my price here to 100x already. That's why, or even more than that, I have set the price 1000x, friend, just for selling out. Let's see what happened. I'm taking big risks here, although it could dump, but it could not go more dump, because you can see the market cap as well as you can see the ranking here, day by day recovering. They are going to under 100 ranking very soon, or within this week. I think it could be happen. Okay, friends, so don't miss such gems and big opportunity. And today I would also bring you some of the gems. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Do not forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe my YouTube channel if you did not still subscribe and you are existing viewer, as well as if you are new one. And do not forget to join my Telegram group as well as follow me on Twitter, because you get instant information from there. See you guys in the next video.